Here's how you can fix some animations Godot. So over here, I have this shield socket. This shield socket will determine where my shield goes. When I drag and drop my shield scene onto shield socket, you can see it playing properly. But let's go ahead and actually try that in game using a different animation. So now I have my character. I'll go ahead and pick up the shield. And now when I equip it, it looks great. But when I block, you can see it clipping through my nose, and I don't want that. I want to change it when I do this animation. So in order to fix that, I'm going to go back to my player scene and just add a child node of a node 3D. And I'm going to go ahead and call this shield offset. And now over in my animation player, I'm going to go ahead and just look for the animation that I need it to play at properly. So I'll start with my idle. So with shield offset selected, I'm going to open up the transform and key my position and my rotation to be exactly where it is right now, because right now it looks great. And now down here, you'll see the two nodes over here created at the bottom of my idle animation. And now over in my block animation, I'm going to go ahead and add that shield scene over to my shield offset and key the frames properly so that it looks nice as soon as it starts clipping a little bit in front. So I'll go ahead and select shield offset and create these position and rotation keys. And I'm going to delete them and then I'll adjust it. So I want my shield to be straight over here. This looks good. And since it's a top-down game, I'm going to angle my shield a little bit just so the users can see. It doesn't have to be perfect for the sake of the tutorial, but this looks pretty nice to me. Put it a little higher and a little further back. And this looks pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and key this position and rotation like so. So now when I play this block animation, it will go to the correct spot. And I'm going to go ahead and copy these keys and look for my block idle, because this is while I hold right click. I'm gonna pretty much do the same thing, just key that position and rotation over in my block idle and just click play to make sure it does change the animation. I'm not sure why sometimes it doesn't, but I am using a beta version, which is 4.6. And I'll click my shield offset again, key that position and rotation like so, and this looks good to me. So now when I hit play, you can see the shield being in the correct spot. And now in my script, I've added this export var shield offset like so, which is a node 3D. And then down here, I have this return shield offset if shield offset is available, or else just return the regular shield socket. And now when I go over to my previously created equipment component for my player, I'm going to go ahead and assign that shield offset to be the shield offset that I created as a node 3D over here. And I'll go ahead and hit save and actually play this. And when I go ahead and try this out, now you can see that when I pick up my shield and equip it, it does show up on the side exactly how it was before. And when I hold right click, it does position itself in the correct area. So it is in front of my nose, kind of slanted up so the users can see like that. You can see the entire shield from this angle. And it looks really, really good. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below, see you next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.